Good morning, room service department. I am Gian. May I help you? Yes, Gian, I would like to order a Filipino breakfast. Thank you. Alright, ma'am. Can I take your order, please? Can you dictate the any orders or any menu? Before I take your orders, may I know your name and your room number? Alright, I'm Celine. My room number is 205. Ma'am Celine, and your room number is 205. Did I get it right, ma'am? Yes. Ma'am, your orders are fried eggs, orange juice, oatmeal, pancakes, cornflakes, and sandwich. Did I get it right, ma'am? Yes. May I repeat your order, ma'am? Fried eggs, orange juice, cornflakes, oatmeal, pancakes, sandwich. Yes, may I know my total bill? Your total bill is 710. How would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Is it in cash, credit card, or charge to your account? I prefer in cash. Thank you. May I know your cash so that I can prepare your change, ma'am? Exactly 1,000. By the way, ma'am, what time would you like me to deliver your order, ma'am? At exactly 11 a.m. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much for calling room service. We will deliver your order exactly 11 a.m. Goodbye. Thank you.